Hey guys, I'm back again. I was doing some troubleshooting this morning and I actually figured out what the problem was. Um, but this might be a potential issue to anybody else who's using it. I think it kind of traced it down to being GNS3. So as we can see earlier, my problem was I wasn't able to talk between my edge routers with my hardware gear, which is my core, to my edge routers, which is my GNS3 router. Um, so before, what I had it going was trunking through the GNS3 switch, and I wasn't getting any communication from the last video that I posted with the my suspicion that I wasn't making the bridging from the GNS3 router through the switch. So one of the things that I did do is I ripped the switch out of the picture, created a bunch of cloud interfaces and added my Ethernet interface and just plugged the routers directly into it. Um, and essentially it's all trunking to it. It's just not using a switch. It's still just trunking. So it may look like individual routers. It's just I set up individual trunks for that particular CO uh, um, edge router. I mean CEE router because I don't have a switch to break it out into the Ethernet interface anymore. So show you guys that it's working, and everything is configured except for the DMVPN and this router 6 connection here. This is a Juniper, so I'm still kind of new with doing MPBGP with a Juniper, so that part's not configured. But I can show you uh, router 7, which is here, right? Which is going into my router 2 California, which is directly connected. It's using an IP address, and I'll show you guys here. Let me go ahead and go into the router. So router 7. Let me get you guys on the screen here. So as you can see here, show IP interface brief. This interface is what's going from router 2. This is the next hop here. So now when I do it, ping 138.210.2.1, getting response. My BGP neighborship for my BGP is working. And then if I can show you, show IP route, you can see all the BGP routes being learned here from my router. And this is an MPLS core, so that's one of the main reasons I'm doing it. So from router 7, just to verify, show you guys that it's working. From router 7 to router 8, which is out here, I'm going to go ahead and ping that trace route 8.8.8.1, which is the loopback address of router 8. So it's going to go through the MPLS core to the edge router, to the LER, and then out to the 8. So go ahead and trace it. Takes a little bit of a second, but it works. But as this is going, just wanted to say, you guys, GNS3 team, I love you guys. It's a great product. It works amazing. It is pretty quick. It's, other than the minor issues that I've run into, other than that, it's been phenomenal. So thank you guys for all your hard work. But as you can see, I'm getting end-to-end connectivity going through my hardware gear, out of GNS3 through my hardware gear, and then back into GNS3 again. But essentially through the routing, logically, that I have everything set up, it's working the way it's supposed to. So all right, well, thanks again, guys, and like I said, thanks again for all your effort. Peace.